If there's one skincare product that deserves a permanent spot in your routine, it's Vitamin C Serum. And here's why. This powerful antioxidant doesn't just brighten dull skin or fade dark spots. It goes deeper. It boosts collagen production. That's your skin's natural scaffolding, making it firmer, tighter, and more youthful. It's your best defense against premature aging and sun damage, shielding your skin from harmful free radicals. Whether you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or those pesky under-eye circles, Vitamin C helps even out your skin tone and reduce redness, revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion. Plus, it hydrates, improves your skin barrier, and may even soothe sunburns and speed up wound healing. And the best part? It's safe for most skin types. Just start with a patch test and go for a concentration between 10 to 20%. Use it in the morning after cleansing and toning, followed by a moisturizer and sunscreen. But be picky, look for stable formulas, ideally water-free and in airtight, dark packaging. And if your serum turns brown, it's oxidized. Toss it, it's lost its power. Ready to upgrade your skincare game? Vitamin C isn't just a trend, it's a staple backed by science. Subscribe for more skin smart science and give your skin the glow it deserves.